Drinking hot tea offers many health benefits, both physical and mental. Here's a detailed list of the top science-backed benefits. 1. Improves digestion. Hot tea, especially green tea, ginger tea, or peppermint tea, helps in breaking down food and easing digestion. The warmth stimulates the stomach and intestines, reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. 2. Keeps you hydrated. Tea contributes to your daily fluid intake and helps maintain hydration. Even though it contains caffeine, it doesn't dehydrate the body in moderate amounts. 3. Boosts heart health. Teas like green tea and black tea are rich in antioxidants, catechins, flavonoids that improve blood vessel function, lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and may reduce risk of heart disease. 4. Enhances mental alertness. The gentle caffeine in hot tea, combined with L-theanine, improves focus, attention, and alertness, without the jitters of coffee. 5. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Warm tea has a soothing effect on your nervous system. Herbal teas like chamomile, lavender, and tulsi reduce stress hormones and promote calmness. 6. Strengthens immunity. Many teas, especially green tea, turmeric tea, and tulsi tea, are loaded with antioxidants, polyphenols, and vitamins that help the immune system fight infections. 7. Relieves cold and sore throat. Hot tea provides steam inhalation that opens nasal passages and soothes a sore throat. Add honey and ginger for extra antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. 8. Supports weight management. Green and oolong teas can slightly boost metabolism and fat burning. Drinking hot tea before meals may also reduce appetite and prevent overeating. 9. Aids in detoxification. Warm water and herbal teas help flush out toxins from the body through sweat and urine, supporting liver and kidney function. 10. Improves sleep quality. When caffeine-free, herbal teas like chamomile, valerian root, and lemon balm promote better sleep and relaxation before bedtime.